Today we're going to do some number strings together, so follow along as we solve these equations. When I give you an equation, I'd like you to solve it on your own so you can pause the video, and then once you've figured out the equation using your own strategy, you can press play. Maybe we have matching strategies, or maybe you'll find out that I used a different strategy. So follow along as we solve some equations. Let's start with 46 plus 34. So you can pause and figure that out using a strategy of your choice, and then press play to see some different strategies you could use to solve that equation. So one first way we could solve it is by using an open number line. I'd start with 46 because it's the greater number. And I know that 6 plus 4 is a friendly fact, so I'm going to add the 4 ones from 34 first. So a 6 plus 4 equals 10. 46 plus 4 will equal 50, and then I need to add 3 tens still. So I'm going to add those separately. So 50 plus 10 equals 60, and then we've got 70, and then we've got 80. So 46 plus 34 equals 80. Another way I could have solved that is by taking 4 from the 34 and giving it to the 46. So I could have done that. So then I would, instead of having 46 plus 34, I'd have 50 plus 30. And I know that 50 plus 30 is 5 tens plus 3 ones. I know that equals 80. All right, let's look at our next equation. Let's look at 40 plus 40. So you can figure that out. The way I would solve that is I could just solve 4 plus 4 tens is 8 tens, that equals 80. We could also use an open number line. So I'd add 4 groups of 10. This is another way to do it. So 40 plus 10 is 50, and we've got 60, 70, 80. Either strategy, the sum is 80. Let's do our next equation here. Now we've got 47 plus 33. So the way I might solve that is by giving the 3 ones from 33 to 47, because I know 7 plus 3 is a friendly fact. So then I turn it into 50, because 3 plus 47 will be 50, and then I've just got the 30 left. Like we talked about, I know what 50 plus 30 is. I know it's 5 tens plus 3 tens. So that equals 80. Let's take a look at this one now. This time we've got 43 plus 37. So again, there are different strategies to figure that out. I'm going to decompose these numbers into 40 plus 3 plus 30 plus 7. So I put the tens together. 40 plus 30 equals 70, and 3 plus 7 equals 10. 70 plus 10, that's just one more 10. So instead of 7 tens, we've got 8 tens, which is 80. Now let's take a look at 45 plus 35. So these are sort of similar. See if you can figure out what the sum of 45 and 35 would be. For this one, I think I'm going to try an open number line. I'll start with 45 because it's the greater number. And I'm going to add the ones first because I know 5 ones plus 5 ones is 10, which is a friendly number. So that means 45 plus 5 is going to equal 50. And then I just have to add 30, so I might add it that way. 50 plus 30 equals 80. There we go. All right, we've just got 2 more equations to solve. The next one I'd like you to solve is 79 plus 21. So again, there are different ways to solve that. I think I'm going to just take the 1 from 21 to 79. So now I've got 80 plus 20. If I've got 8 tens plus 2 tens, that means I have 10 tens. I know that 10 tens equals 100. Now let's solve 89 plus 22. So for this one, I think I'm going to use an open number line. I'll start with 89 because it's the greater number. And I think I'm just going to add 1 from the 22 first. I don't want to add the 2. I know if I add just the 1 from there, then I will be at a friendly number. I'll be at a benchmark number, which is 90. And then I'm going to add the 2 10s and then that extra 1. So 90 plus 10 is 100. 100 plus 10 equals 110. And 110 plus 1 more is 111. So the sum would be 111, just like that. Thanks so much for following along, guys. Bye.